Hey there guys, it's Michelle. I hope you're having a really great day. I'm about to walk over here and go out on that dock and get myself all set up to do a little bit of fishing today. And I'm so excited that you're going to spend some time with me. Thank you. And if you haven't done a like and subscribe, that would mean everything to me. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so now let's go fishing. I'm gonna check my minnow net real quick here. Okay guys, let's see what we can get. Oh my God, you guys, did you see my hat? I didn't even show you. It is my Bass Pro Shops, but it has the cutest designs on it for like the 4th of July. And oh my gosh, I'm totally in love with it. It is so freaking cute. And it was $7.99. I know, right? I think it's my new favorite hat. I'm not joking. I ended up with one beautiful bluegill. So pretty, look at the belly. Oh, so yeah. But this was my big catch for the day. Thank you for spending time watching the sunset. And I thought just keeping it quiet and listening to mostly the ducks and nature would be kind of a nice little thing to add to my channel. So if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you love fishing, comment below. Thanks guys.